Hey guys, my name is Karthike, and on this channel you will learn how to make some easy paper craft and DIYs. So today we are gonna make a 3-pointed ninja star designed by Jeremy Shafer as you saw on the thumbnail. So what do you need for that? You just need 3 sheets of paper. You can use origami sheets also. But today we are gonna use A4, or you can use letter size also. So we need to cut this sheet into a square. So just take this edge and align it with the side edge like that. And fold it. Now when you have this, you just need to turn the paper over, and from this point you just need to align this unfolded edge from to this back side. So from this point like that, just align it with the back side. Like that, and flip the paper over and unfold the triangle and unfold this edge also. So now when you have made the crease sharply, just tear the paper from the top a little bit like that and hold it like this and just tear it like so. Just take them apart very carefully. And now when you have this, you can see we have this fold in the from point to point. So now you need to fold it from the other point to point like this. Align the edges really carefully. Like that. Alright, so now when you have done this, as you can see, now what you need to do is folded side should be on top, and you see these two open layers, right? So take both of the layers and fold it to the top, the mountain fold from this point. Just you can flip the paper over and do it like this. It is a bit easier for me. So go like that. And align it with the edge. Alright, so now when you have done this, just shove the creases out. Take this edge right here and fold it along here, this crease. Make sure you align. Like that. Flip the paper, turn the paper over, and you see this point right here, right? You need to fold this point to here where this crease is. As you can see, just a minute please, right here where this crease is ending. Alright, so just take this point and fold it towards that where the crease is ending. To this edge where the crease is ending, you need to fold this point to that edge from this corner right here. And just fold. You can smoothen out the folds. And now when you have this, you need to take this edge and fold it towards the top like that from the point in the corner, and just fold it. And just do it. And now what you want to do is just open all the layers. And when you have opened all the layers, you need to fold this long edge, as you see right here. Just fold this long edge along this crease right here. Just fold it along that crease. Now what you want to do is take these two layers over here, as you see, these two open layers, and fold them to this edge right here. We folded this edge right now, right? Just fold it along and make sure you align it. As you can see, just align the folds like that and crease sharply. Alright, so now you have this. Now what you want to do, you see this edge right here, right? Take this edge and fold it to the same edge that we folded these two layers. Alright, so take this edge and fold it to that edge. And crease. Something like that. Okay. So your model should look something like this. So now when you have this, next step what you want to do is fold this edge towards this crease right here, as you can see. So now what you want to do is take this edge and fold it to the crease over here, like you can see right here. Alright, so you need to fold it along that crease. Okay, you don't need to mark with this or with a pen or pencil, anything. I just marked it to show you guys. Okay, so now you just need to take this edge and fold it along that crease. Align it with the crease carefully and crease. Alright, so next step that you want to do is, first of all, let us crease all the folds. What you want to do is you see we folded it right here, right? So unfold this edge right over Here, this long edge that we folded here, just unfold this edge and take this flap and just wrap it around like so. Alright. Just place it on a table or anywhere. Just wrap it around the edge like that, and just wrap it around. Crease every time you cross and fold it last time and smoothen it out. Alright, so now when you have model like this, you need to take this flap and fold it along this edge right here inside. You see this edge, right? You just take the flap like that and fold it along that edge. Like that. Okay. Now open the fold up and reverse the fold on the same crease. Reverse it a little bit and curve it from the top. Fold it back, and you see this pocket here, right? Open the pocket and insert this flap inside of the pocket, as you see right here. Use your finger to insert it. Alright, and crease it sharply. Crease all the folds again. Okay, so now we need 2 more models like this, so we need total of 3 models. Alright guys, when you have made all the models, what you need to do, you just need to flip them over like that. Flip all of them over. So now what you need to do is take one model and take another. Now what you need to do, you have this thin pocket on the top, right? So take another model and turn it like this. So you have the long and pointy edge towards the pocket, and insert the long and pointy edge in the pocket as far as you can go using your thumb, like that. Okay, as far as you can go, the better it is. So now when you have inserted one, take the other model and take the pointy edge like that and insert it in the top one, the white one, like that, and make sure you go further as possible, as far as you can go inside the pocket. Use your thumb to slide it in. And now when you have this, you need to take the top flap and make it behind the flap that is beneath it. So now when you have this, as you can see, you have something like this. So now when you have this, model something like this, take the blue flap and curve it a little bit and insert it in the green pocket of the green flap, like so. Just insert it right here. And when you have inserted all the flaps, you will have something like this, and you are ready with your 3-pointed ninja star, which is a curved like this, as you can see from all the sides, right? So now you are ready. And how you want to throw it, like you see this closed edge right here, right? There is no pocket. You need to throw it like that, so every flap, every edge, it spins by the closed edge like this. If you will go with the pocket side, the air will fill into it and it won't just fly that well. So I prefer you to just throw it by closed edge. So thank you guys. That's it for today's video, and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you get started with craft.